In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur in Procreate. Blurring can be a great way to soften harsh lines or create a more natural look in your illustrations. In Procreate, there are several ways to blur your artwork, and in this video, I'm going to discuss a few of them. Right, to get started, we're going to look at the simplest way to blur a background in Procreate. Make sure that you have your layer selected. This would be the layer that you want to blur. Then select your magic wand or your adjustments menu and select Gaussian Blur. You will then be able to adjust a slider from left to right to adjust the amount of blur you want. As you can see, the further right you go, the more intense the blur is, and the further left the slider is, the less intense the blur is. Another fun way to use the Gaussian blur is by creating a glowing effect. What I've done is I've taken this heart element, these hearts, I've duplicated the layer, as you can see. I'm then going to put a dark blue layer beneath this. Then I'm going to select the first heart layer, and I'm going to select my selection tool, draw around the hearts, and then I'm going to go to Gaussian Blur and I'm going to drag that to the right. This gives a lovely glowing effect, and you can use this in all sorts of artwork, from creating stars at night to fireworks, etc. And there you have it. Now you know how to blur in Procreate, specifically using the Gaussian Blur tool. If you found this helpful, please subscribe now and watch this next video on how to add text in Procreate.